If your organization handles claims across multiple states, keeping adjuster license information accurate and organized can be a challenge. Some states require adjuster license information to prominently appear on claim documentation provided to claimants. With multiple adjuster licenses enabled in XactAdmin, you can associate state-specific license numbers with a claim rep's profile and manage them from a centralized location, helping ensure the appropriate license information is available when working claims across multiple states. To get started, open XactAdmin and select your instance. Next, select the configuration page and scroll down to the Multiple Adjuster Licenses card and enable the option. Once enabled, the Claim Rep License Management tool becomes available to instance users. Shared Claim Rep Adjuster license numbers can be managed in XactAdmin, while instance users can update their personal claim reps in Xactimate. Next, you will want to export the Claim Rep CSV file after activating this feature to preserve existing adjuster license numbers. Open the Preferences tab and navigate to the Personnel card. This is where shared claim reps are managed for the selected instance. Open the Select Claim Rep window, select the Options icon, and choose Export Update. From the Export Update window, select the Claim Rep CSV link to begin the download. The file name includes the instance number you're working in, so the link title may vary. From the Select Claim Rep window, you can update Claim Rep state adjuster licenses in two ways. To update an existing claim rep, select the Edit icon. In the Adjuster Licenses section, you may see a warning that a license number needs a corresponding state. Select Edit, add the state, and then Apply. If the claim rep has licenses in multiple states, select Add Adjuster License, enter the license number, select the applicable state, and save your changes. License numbers are entered as free-form text and are not validated against a third-party licensing system, so it's important to enter values accurately to avoid reporting or compliance issues. Repeat this process to add a state-specific license for each state where the claim rep is licensed. Each claim rep can have one license assigned per state. If you attempt to add a second license for a state that already exists, XactAdmin prevents the duplicate entry. To remove an existing license, select the Delete icon for that license entry, and then Delete. Once updated, save your changes. If your organization manages large numbers of adjusters, you can update licenses in bulk using the Export Update feature. From the Export Update window, download the current claim rep CSV file. If you only need to update specific claim reps, select those users first before exporting. The generated CSV file will contain only the selected claim reps, making targeted updates easier to manage. When working in the CSV file, focus on the first three columns: Claim Rep ID, Adjuster State, and Adjuster Number. This file is for managing license entries for existing claim reps. You are unable to add new claim reps in this file. You can update existing license numbers, add a corresponding state to license numbers, and easily add additional license numbers for existing claim reps by copying an existing row and adding the new state and license number. Changes made to other fields, such as names, phone numbers, or email addresses, are ignored during import. Once your updates are complete, save the file and return to the Export Update window and upload the file to apply your changes. If required information is missing, XactAdmin displays a warning identifying the affected rows and columns. You can correct the issues and upload the file again, or choose to continue and save while overlooking those specific errors. XactAdmin processes the file and applies the new and updated license information to the matching claim rep records. Keep in mind that multi-state license visibility depends on whether the feature is enabled. If the feature is turned off, state-specific license information will no longer appear in the claim rep profile. When the feature is enabled again, that information becomes visible. To maintain consistency and keep your records up to date, it's a good idea to keep a current copy of your claim rep CSV file. Managing state-specific adjuster licenses from a central location helps reduce manual tracking, supports organization compliance when working across multiple jurisdictions, and ensures license information for shared claim reps is available to users throughout the instance. To see how state-specific licenses are matched to projects and how license warnings appear for end users, check out our companion Xpert tip, using state-specific adjuster licenses in Xactimate. Visit learn.xactware.com for more resources and product education. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment if you want to learn more, and don't forget to subscribe for more Xpert tips each week.